The following message is transmitted at the request of the Covina Police Department. At 12 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, an extremely dangerous child was last seen roaming around the city of Covina. The Covina Police Department identified this name as Jimi.exe, a white male 9 years old, weighs 60 pounds, with brown hair, no pupils, with red, glowing eyes. He was wearing a dark red shirt, black shorts, and 8-bit shoes, with blood on it. He was carrying a knife, hard object, and an axe. Police discovered dead bodies in the Metrolink train. All residents are advised to shelter in place. To shelter in place, close lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning units. Jimi.exe is attracted to sound-light women. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Covina Police Department. At 12:10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. New information about Jimi.exe. He is not a child. He is a creature. He can talk in a deep voice. Jimi.exe Rod Minecraft is head on his way from West Covina to Covina. Stay tuned to this station for more information as it becomes available. An immediate evacuation for Covina. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Covina Police Department. Jimi.exe is planting bombs on people's homes. Evacuate now. When you evacuate, tie a white towel to your door or mailbox to show the authorities that you obeyed the evacuation order. Evacuate now. If you don't evacuate, it is too late. Prepare for certain death. Jimi.exe's next target is loss.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Jimi.exe sending an asteroid to collide with Earth. All residents are advised to seek an underground shelter. Stay tuned to the station for more information on this dangerous situation. This is an emergency action termination. The asteroid was destroyed by Jimi.exe Rod Minecraft. In addition, Jimi.exe was killed by Jimi.exe Rod Minecraft. All residents are free to exit their shelters. However, there is damage in Covina, California. It may take weeks to repair damages. Regular programming may now resume. Your government. Thanks for your cooperation during this emergency.